Here comes the cool air, the light chill of the fall, blowing from either direction. Blowing across the yard, it's crisp and it's cool. The dogs like it as they sit around in the sun, and stubbornly I remain under a tree. The wind gusts up stronger from time to time, and we're supposed to grow cold as the day wears on. I'm looking for the future today. And at the same time I am dreading the outcome of our actions. Fall makes me feel a little sad sometimes. Whoop out the sweater and the second layer, it's time for a change. And surely it's the way. Oh boy, oh shit, let's record it. I read an essay from a bitchy English professor. He seemed unconcerned with my purity of expression, and I can see his point, which is all well and good. Sometimes I'm not sure if I can see mine.
You shake this time and it doesn't really mind. You do just fine, but you won't next time if you want it. You shake this time and it doesn't really mind. You do just fine, but you won't next time if you want it. You shake this time and it doesn't really mind. You do just fine, but you won't next time if you want it. You shake this time and it doesn't really mind. You do just fine, but you won't next time if you want it.